Hey, what's going on, guys? How y'all doing? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, make sure you join the crew, subscribe, and get notified for all future videos. But today I'm going to share with you my first ever Google Pixel device. So inside of this box is the new Google Pixel 4a, which you've probably seen by now hundreds of videos on this device. But this is a little bit different because this is my first ever experience using Google and pretty much their phones. So I kind of just want to share my experience with you guys. So we're gonna do this together, and maybe it's your first time picking up a Google phone as well. So let's do my first ever Google Pixel unboxing here on the channel. So let's go ahead, check it out. Okay, so now we are greeted with the Google Fi. Get Google Fi working instantly. Meet the phone plan for Google that uses SIM-free setup, so you can have an account or not. But that's actually pretty cool that they do offer that. If you don't have a SIM card or a cell phone service out of the box, you can use the Google Fi network. But we're going to be using the Cricket wireless network. So you can see we got the pull tabs right there on the back, so you don't need a knife or anything. Nice clean box. This is it says Team Pixel on the back of here, so hopefully I am part of the Team Pixel. I did purchase this with my own money, just to let you guys know. So you can see it says Team Pixel right there at the top. Hopefully, you know, hashtag Team Pixel. Everybody in the comment section down below, if you were part of Team Pixel, let me know down below as well. But this is my first ever Pixel device. I did spend my hard-earned cash. But let's go ahead and pop this one open, and then let's go ahead and pull this one right open. And that was really easy, and it was nice and clean. So let's go ahead and pop the top off. For $350, you're supposed to be getting the best cameras. Here you're going to be greeted with the Google Pixel 4a in black, and you can see that it has a really nice black color on the back of it, just like all the videos I was watching on this device. So let's go ahead, pop that open. Then you're going to go ahead and you have the device right here, and it has like a matte black kind of texture. The best way to describe it is it's really lightweight, kind of feels like the size of the iPhone 7 in a way, or the Nokia 4.2 that I have as far as the size comparison, but it's really small in the hand. Opening up the box, you do get the covering, so you do also get your remover tool for your SIM card, as well as your warranty and, you know, like installation guide and stuff like that. We're gonna put that off to the side. You do get your wall brick right here. Now the difference with this one is it has Type-C on both sides, so you pretty much would use the Type-C connector for this one, and then you get the wall brick inside as well. But it's pretty cool that they do offer a Type-A to Type-C connection, which is kind of cool as well. And take off the protective film from the Google Pixel 4a and power this device on. First, let's take a look at that colored power button. Let's give that some juice. You see the fingerprint on the back of it. You press that button, you can see that there's a punch hole cut out to the left top corner. It does say Google, powered by Android. Phone has a really nice feel in the hand. Minimal chin, minimal forehead. It's very symmetrical as well. All right, so this phone has a really nice feel in the hand. It has dual speakers on the bottom, Type-C on the bottom as well. On the right, you got a volume rocker, but above it is that like a mint white power button. So it's like sort of like a off-white, but it's like a white button. But then you can see that all-screen display on this device, which looks really good for the first time ever. Google has some really good borders on their screen on all four corners, so they line up really well, and they don't, you know, they won't give you a panic attack. All right, guys, so I'm gonna put my SIM card in here. It's the Cricket SIM, and we're gonna put it in the Google Pixel 4a.
right now, and basically it's asking you to put the SIM card in right now. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do. We're gonna skip Wi-Fi and just go straight to the home screen so we could check out, like the 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 interface and the OS, the Google OS. And the software is really stock Android, so it's the Android 10 right now, but you're gonna get all the newest updates as well.
Gonna ask me for a pin, so I was gonna choose swipe, but they prefer you do a pin. So we did the pin. Now it's gonna ask me to do my fingerprint. So it says unlock with fingerprint, and let's just test that out. It has a nice haptic feedback. Let's try another one. I'll try my right hand as well. And really easy to log that information in. So that's actually really fast, really easy, kind of cool.
Alright guys, so now that the phone is finished with that, you're going to be greeted with the home screen. So let's go ahead down to the notification panel, and immediately you could see it has this really nice transition feature right here. If you do it really slow, you can see all the icons line up. It goes from 6 right there at the top, and then it spreads all the way down to like the 9 of them right there. But then if you want to see more, you can hit the pencil button down on the left hand corner, and it has all the things in there as well, like dark mode, hotspot, stuff like that. But I think that's pretty cool, and this device is actually running on Android 10, which is kind of cool. So there's a lot of features inside of it which are really cool. There's no NFC on here from what I can see. Wait, actually no, there is NFC on this thing, so that's actually kind of pretty cool. But other than that, there's 128 gigabytes of internal storage, and after I installed all my apps, I had 114 left, which is actually really nuts as well. So let's check out the footage on the cameras.
2 is the camera, guys. So we have the camera right here, and it's saying that you can motion is enabled and night sight. So I've used Gcam on a lot of different phones before, so I'm familiar with this software, but having it on an actual phone is really cool.
Now the cameras on here are really optimized, probably the best in the entire world. There's not a better camera setup that you can purchase for the money. Now the software is just so good, guys. So with that one single camera, you're gonna be able to get the best results that you've ever seen before. Well, I'm gonna test that out, a whole lot more videos, but you can see that this picture right here came out really well.
All right, so it just took 3 shots.
Now there's a few things that I really like about the Pixel right now, and that's the vibration motor. It has a really nice vibration motor, so when you hit anything, you get a nice vibration or even a nice sound, and it vibrates throughout the whole phone, so you could kind of feel it. The speakers sound really good. Overall, it's really small and compact, and has that nice matte black texture on the back, so it won't attract too many fingerprints. Just the overall size is really lightweight. I can't stress that enough. You can use this for one-handed operation, so it's really cool.
So let's just see how the audio would sound on this video. I'm gonna crank that all the way up.
Shave my head, comb it over, wear a hat. Just stop. This isn't 1970.
Yeah, that sounds really good.
Confidence.
Let me see. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano, and I'm back with another video. Yeah, those speakers are really good. They have a really nice, good vibration to the bass and tremolo and stuff like that. So the performance is really smooth as well. It has a really clean feel in it. Really minimal, really lightweight. I do like that matte black material as well. And we're gonna be testing out this camera upside some of the other phones that I have in a similar price bracket, but this is the Google Pixel 4a. My first impressions, definitely happy to have this in my hand and be part of the Team Pixel community. So I definitely appreciate them for making such a really nice device as a first-time Pixel user. And if you are Team Pixel, leave it in the comment section down below. A like on this video, it would be tremendous and appreciate it. But thank you again for checking out this first impressions of my first Pixel device. This is the Google Pixel 4a, guys, and this is my first ever Pixel. So hopefully you guys did find this informative, helpful, or useful. But in the meantime, I'll check you guys later. But have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and later, crew. Peace.